We're still in Unit 2. Look at, we got all the gold for Unit 1, so we got to keep on plowing through. This is the last part for this part, introducing yourself. Let's wrap it up. All right, bring it on. Bring on the challenge, man. Bring on the challenge, man. Try the hardest exercises from this level. Bring it.
Une femme mexicaine.
Turn that up a little bit.
Une femme mexicaine.
Une femme mexicaine. So, a Mexican woman. Yeah. Une femme française. Turn it up one little hair louder. There we go. Ho, ho, ho. Woo! We got it. French woman.
Il est anglais?
Il est anglais. So, is he English? Thomas mange anglais. No. Thomas est anglais. Thomas is English.
Je parle anglais.
Je parle anglais, so I speak English. Wow, this is so much easier compared to Moza Lingua. What was I doing? My brain is fried right now. Je parle français. Je parle français.
Il parle français.
Il parle français. So he speaks French.
Je m'appelle Gabriel et elle s'appelle Charlotte.
Je m'appelle Gabriel. Non, je m'appelle Gabriel et elle s'appelle Charlotte. Tu es française, Charlotte? Tu es française.
Excuse-moi, tu es mexicaine?
Excusez-moi, tu es mexicaine? Excuse me, are you Mexican? Non, je suis française. Parfait. Ta-da! Now we're gonna get a really loud commercial. Please! Unless you guys want to cough up $5, then I'll shut off the ads and do 100 videos. I can't bring myself to pay for Duolingo lessons. Mozalingo is a lot better. I don't know. I go between them both. I like them both.
Get more with Super Duolingo.
Super Duolingo. I just have to push the speaker button and it turns off. Say how would we say that? Do more with Super Duolingo. Fais plus avec Super Duolingo. I don't know. That's how I'd say it. And then they would probably laugh at me. That's okay. As long as you're being joyful at my pain. I don't mind the pain. We found an XP boost. We're on a 3-day streak. That's lesson streak, not running down the street streak. Okay, keep your... I don't care about that, man. Streaks mean nothing. Oh, we got a treasure chest. Open it up. Enjoy your reward. No thanks. All right, we're going to pump some iron. Personalized practice. Let's bring it. Come on. Bring on the personalization practice. I like those old kung fu movies where they talk and their mouth keeps moving. I don't know why I thought about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes after that? Oh, I've been learning Chinese and French all day, so my brain is like, it's just like marshmallows that have been melted.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Informal. What is your name? Nicely done. Excuse-moi, tu parles français? Do you speak horse? Tu parles cheval? Or is that hare? I always get those two mixed up. Excuse me, Paul. So that'd be excusez-moi, Paul.
Paul.
Excusez-moi, Paul. Tap the matching pairs. Oh, here we go.
Garçon.
Garçon is a boy. Oh, this is pretty good. They changed it.
Un.
That's A.
Fille.
Fille is a girl.
Chat.
Chat is a cat. Got it.
Un cheval.
Un cheval. So that is not a woman, but it's a horse. Cheval, horse. What is the word for hare then? Remember I used to get them mixed up. High five for what? Okay.
Salut.
Salut, that means goodbye or bye. Got it?
Au revoir.
Au revoir, goodbye.
Je.
Je is I.
Cheval.
Cheval is a horse.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. See you later. That means goodbye. Oh, here we go again.
Comment?
Comment is how.
Bien.
Bien, well.
Fille.
Fille, girl.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue, welcome. Bienvenue. Her name is Marie, so elle s'appelle...
Elle. Marie.
Elle s'appelle Marie. She is English. Elle est anglaise.
Anglaise.
Elle est anglaise. Ta-da! Well, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video, because they're going to be giving us a bunch of commercials, and that's painful.